Choosing the right window replacement contractor is a crucial decision that can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. With many contractors available in Little Rock, finding the perfect one might seem overwhelming. However, by considering key factors, you can make a well-informed decision that ensures high-quality work, durability, and satisfaction. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you choose the best window replacement contractor in Little Rock. Experience and expertise. Experience is a key factor when selecting a contractor for window replacement. A company with a proven track record of success in Little Rock is more likely to deliver excellent results. Experienced contractors have encountered a variety of window types, installation challenges, and building styles, making them more adept at handling their specific project. Tip: look for contractors who have been in business for several years and have a portfolio of completed projects. This demonstrates their expertise and commitment to quality. Licensing and insurance. Before hiring a window replacement contractor, ensure they are fully licensed and insured. In Arkansas, contractors are required to hold a license, which guarantees that they meet the minimum requirements for quality and safety. Furthermore, insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage during the project. Tip: ask the contractor to provide their license number and verify it through the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board. Additionally, request proof of insurance and workers' compensation coverage. Reputation and reviews. One of the most reliable ways to gauge a contractor's reliability is by looking at their reputation in the Little Rock community. Online reviews, testimonials, and ratings on platforms like Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau (BBB) offer valuable insights into their professionalism, customer service, and the quality of their work. Tip: take time to read reviews and check the contractor's rating with the BBB. A contractor with consistently positive reviews and minimal complaints is a solid choice. Additionally, ask for references from past clients to speak directly about their experiences. Product quality and options. Window replacements are a long-term investment, so the quality of the products used is just as important as the installation itself. A reputable contractor will offer a variety of window options from trusted manufacturers, ensuring you have choices that suit your home's style, energy efficiency needs, and budget. Tip: ask contractors about the brands and types of windows they install. High-quality windows typically come with warranties, so inquire about these as well. Energy-efficient options like double or triple pane windows with low E coatings can help lower your utility bills. Energy efficiency knowledge. Little Rock experiences both hot summers and cold winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. A knowledgeable contractor will help you choose windows that offer superior insulation and energy savings. Look for contractors who are familiar with Energy Star rated windows and can explain how these windows will impact your home's comfort and energy usage. Tip: ask your contractor about their experience installing energy-efficient windows and whether they can provide specific recommendations based on Little Rock's climate. Detailed estimates and transparent pricing. The best window replacement contractors provide clear and detailed written estimates that break down the costs of materials, labor, and other expenses. This ensures there are no hidden fees or unexpected costs once the project begins. Be wary of contractors who offer vague estimates or pressure you into signing a contract without providing a thorough cost breakdown. Tip: obtain quotes from at least 3 contractors in Little Rock to compare pricing and services. A contractor who is upfront about their costs and willing to answer questions will likely be more trustworthy. Warranty and post-installation service. A reliable window replacement contractor will stand behind their word with a warranty on both the products and installation. This warranty is crucial in case any issues arise after the windows are installed. Some contractors also offer post-installation services, such as inspections and maintenance, to ensure your windows remain in top condition. Tip: before hiring, ask about the warranties they offer on windows and installation. Make sure you get this information in writing for future reference. Communication and customer service. Effective communication is key to a successful project. From your first consultation to the final installation, the contractor should be responsive, attentive, and willing to address any concerns you have. Good customer service reflects the contractor's professionalism and their dedication to meeting your expectations. Tip: pay attention to how the contractor communicates during the initial consultation. Do they listen to your needs? Are they prompt in answering questions? A contractor who values your time and concerns is more likely to provide a smooth experience. In conclusion, choosing the best window replacement contractor in Little Rock involves careful research and consideration of several important factors. By prioritizing experience, reputation, product quality, and clear communication, you can ensure that your window replacement project will be handled professionally and efficiently. Take your time to evaluate potential contractors, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Your home deserves the best.